Tier 4 General Students, Visa Guidance. Hi, welcome to Skillsoft Overseas Education, which is successfully guiding students since 2008. Today we are going to guide you for 4-tier General Student Visa for UK universities. You need to score 30 points for CAS statement from UK university. And you need to score 10 points for maintenance in listed bank account. For inner borough you need to show £111,385, and for outsider of inner London your amount would be £9,135. The funds should be 28 days and older to score 10 points. Similar fixed deposit can also be eligible where funds should be 28 days old. A covering letter would be required from bank. There is no loan against the fixed deposit. The documents to be submitted are: original passport, all original academic mark sheet and certificates listed in your CAS statement, original UKVI result, tuberculosis test report from listed hospitals by UKVA only, bank statement or fixed deposit, letter of consent from parents, immigration health surcharge fee receipt. Student need to pay Tier 4 general student fees of £335. For example, if your course is of 2 years, so you will get 2.5 years visa, then your IHS fees will be £750, approximately 69,750 Indian rupees. So please activate and increase international shopping limit or international merchant limit on your Visa or MasterCard. Bank statement, bank passbook or bank education loan sanction letter should contain these details. Feel free to call us for any further queries. Our email it is given below. You can reach us to our address given below. Are you 10th passed out? Want to study abroad? Study in Singapore without IELTS and paid internship. Study in Singapore and let's migrate to Australia. We offer low tuition fees and high visa success rate. Contact us now. Our details are given below. Thank you.